Today we're doing an unboxing video on the 24K rolling paper. It comes shipped in this really nice envelope. It's really flashy. And it comes delivered straight to your door by your mailman. So let's go ahead and let's open this. Alright, let's take a look inside. Got some papers. So this is the removal. It has some protective sheet so the gold doesn't fall apart inside the package. Now let's see what the other paper is. Well, it's a nice certificate of authenticity. Kind of shiny and gold also. It's nice. Put it on my wall. Let's see what else. We got this. Pretty sure this is the receipt. And let's see how much we paid. $64.49 with shipping. I'm in the US. And now for the product. Comes in a nice jewelry box. Let's take a peek inside. And here it is. Your 24K shine rolling paper. Now it's your standard size, except in gold. It comes with two stickers. 24K in your ashtray and I burn gold. Going on my car. And here it is. Your 24K gold rolling papers. Kind of intimidating. It's one of those things that you do once in a lifetime. And let's pull out the instruction. This just pretty much says take apart your the paper protecting the gold. It's a little intimidating taking it out. It feels like a wet leaf. It's really thin and fragile. We're going to carefully take this, and that's the glue. That's where you lick it. And let's go ahead and take the protective sheet off. And there it is. And as you can see here, it really captures the light. Thanks for watching, and give a thumbs up if you like this review. Like I said, you should just buy this if you have extra money laying around. I'm gonna probably make another video of me smoking this really nice paper. And remember to like 24K on Facebook and post your pictures on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.